Gold finally has breached 2040-42 zone and has moved towards 2050. I have mentioned very clearly in my video yesterday that beyond 2042, the direct rate is going to land at 2050 levels. I hope you all profited. Now, what to expect today? How to profit today trading gold? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon. This is the first update for the day. Next update will be released before the US session. Watch that as well. Do like, share, and comment, and do join the channel memberships here on YouTube. Let's start. First, we'll look into hourly charts, and yes, you can also remain updated by joining my free Telegram channel. Now, look at the hourly charts. Consider this is base rise, consolidation or retracement, stronger rise, consolidation or slight retracement. And if you just connect the dots here, you will find where is the bottom of this. The bottom now is at around 2035-36, so only bearishness today is below 2035-36. Also, if you look at hourly charts, it is showing a reversal sign. It is willing to rise. We have to now wait for it to break beyond 2048 and then 2052 levels. If these two levels are taken, you can expect another round of rise, which may take it till towards 2060-65. But let's have a further look. Stochastic is rising. MACD first rise here and retracement, second rise here and retracement, showing good waves. Possibly it could retrace before rising. RSI is rising, signs of bullishness. Coming to 2 hour. Likewise, on the 2 hour charts, consolidation, rise, consolidation, and then this rise. Very strong bullish momentum is shown. Now, also, if you look at on the 2 hour charts, reversal sign is seen, and this is the first bullish candle. I'll expect it to deliver second and third bullish candles as well. Be watch staying about 2048 levels. Certainly, we can look forward to a more rise towards 2055-56, and then in fact it can try to move towards 2060-65 levels. See, a reversal sign is here is also seen. Prices are also trading with divergence from the moving average. It can trade slowly such that the moving averages may climb up. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD is in green, trying to converge a bit. RSI is flat. Coming to 3 hour chart. Likewise, on the 3 hour charts, reversal sign, and it is trying to trade with modest bullishness. See, one thing you must note: bigger bullish candle, and now it may either try to trade sideways before breaking out. This is one position you should look at. Only selling entry today is below 2042 levels. Remember, 2040-42, which was the support resistance zone, is now going to be the support zone here. Thus, if you're selling at 2042, you have to be cautious at around 2038 and then 2035 levels. If only and only if you see gold is staying below 2035, you can say slight bearishness can be expected. The stochastic near to top, MACD is divergent, MACD is bullish, it is still looking upwards. RSI is right. And on the 4 hour charts, if you look at similar is the observation on the 4 hour charts. Lower highs, just wait for it to break beyond 2048. So it appears that today we will wait as long as 2048-2042 zone is not breached. We should be cautious. Also above 48, though I will be looking forward to 2055-56, but we have to just watch out for the yesterday's high. Just be cautious at around 2051 levels. Beyond that, certainly more bullish momentum may prevail. Right now, what we can look forward to see, the rise here, it has waited for the 20 period moving average to climb up. Then the rise here, it can wait for the 20 period moving average to climb up. So yes, the movement can be a bit sluggish throughout the day. The stochastic flat near to top, MACD is divergent, MACD is bullish looking upwards, RSI is flat. Coming to daily chart. Now, if you look at daily charts, see moving averages have crossed over here. Certainly sign of bullishness I have shared in my yesterday's update as well. And also look at the candles here taking support from the moving average. So in any case, 2030, 2025 is the support zone for now. With that as support, gold is continuing to trade bullish. You can look at it is trading in this bullish channel. Where are the highs of the channel? Now it appears 2060-65 zone is going to be the high. Before we look into further details, see, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 29th mentorship batch starting 4th of March. Limited seats are available. Register yourself now. Equip yourself with the trade setups which can help you trade profitably, the tools and strategies which can help you trade profitably. Also, if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. You can write an email or you can ping me on Telegram for your queries related to the mentorship batch or the signals channel. And yes, do join the free Telegram channel for live market. And those who ask me to recommend a broker which is trustworthy and safe, which offers a sub-free account with least brokerage, and rather I'll say zero brokerage and least spreads, you can visit the broker link shared in the channel and video description. I trade in the same account. Now also, if you now look at the daily chart, see higher highs, higher lows. Remember one thing, after a couple of retracement, it has started to change the slope. So yes, this was the bullish channel side movement and now this breakout. So possibly we can look forward to a further rise today. See, one more point here. Look at this, lower highs and lower lows were observed till now. So you can see this. and now it is on the verge of a breakout. I have already mentioned that a breakout is considered if it breaks beyond 2060-65 zone. So now that is the level I'll be looking, because beyond this we are looking forward to $2,100 again. See, one must notice rise, retracement, and a breakout here is going to be stronger. The stochastic is rising on the daily charts. The MACD is divergent. The MACD is bullish, looking upwards. RSI is rising as well. Considering one can buy at 2048 levels with the caution note at around 2051.52 and then 2055.56, very nearby. But beyond that, I will be looking forward to 2060-65 zone, which is the critical milestone for the day, which is going to remain critical for the week as well. And on the downside, a selling entry at 2042 can be taken, but then 2038 and 2035, two levels it needs to break. Below that, 2028, 2030 zone, the next, and 2024, 25. A reversal is confirmed if it trades below 2024, 25. Else, it may try to establish. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. See you again before the US session. Have a great profitable trading there. Do not miss to join the mentorship batch and the signals channel. Definitely, it will add meaning to your trading. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day.